तथैया हो। आपको याद है 80s में श्रीदेवी और जितेंद्रा को लेकर बनी फिल्म हिम्मत वाला, वही फिल्म जो एक साउथ की फिल्म का रीमेक थी। उस फिल्म का भी अब रीमेक बनने जा रहा है। साजिद खान इज ऑल सेट टू रिक्रिएट द मैजिक ऑफ दिस क्लासिक। हाल ही में हुआ इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर लॉन्च।
मां शेरावाली का हाथ है मुझ पर, चाहे सैकड़ों दुश्मन आ जाए जमीन पर, एक एक को जिंदा गाड़ देगा ये हिम्मत वाला यहीं पर।
साजिद खान हमेशा से अपनी फिल्मों की तारीफ करते आए हैं। वो उन फिल्म मेकर्स में से एक हैं जिनकी आज तक सभी फिल्में 100 करोड़ के क्लब में शामिल हुई हैं। फिल्म हिम्मत वाला उन्होंने इसीलिए चुनी because he was crazy about the film.
See, I've always believed in making entertaining films. This is my 4th film, but even when I was making Hey Baby, I had written a draft of Himmat Wala because in any interview of mine, if you ever read, amongst my top 10 films of all times, Himmat Wala has featured. I was crazy about Himmat Wala. And you know, for Ajay and me, it was like a homecoming of sorts because not many people know this, but his dad did the action of Himmat Wala. And the first day when I went to meet Ajay with the draft of Himmat Wala, just about 8-9 months ago before we started the film, I noticed something in his office which he's promised to give it to me. That's the Silver Jubilee Trophy of Himmat Wala on his dad's name.
अपनी इस फिल्म को लेकर साजिद इतने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं कि उन्होंने तो इसे इस साल की टॉप 3 फिल्मों में शुमार कर दिया।
It will be my biggest hit, it will be UTV's biggest hit, it will be Vashuji's biggest hit, and it will be amongst the top 3 hits of 2013. And it's an open challenge to anybody for me.
वैसे साजिद के इस डिक्लेरेशन में कुछ नया नहीं है। वो जब भी फिल्में बनाते हैं तो इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स जरूर देते हैं, पर नया तो कुछ अजय देवगन के लिए भी नहीं था। उन्होंने एक बार दोबारा वहीं खड़े होकर अपनी फिल्म का ट्रेलर लॉन्च किया जहां उन्होंने अपनी पहली फिल्म देखी थी।
Yeah, you know, I've come here in Gaiety after years, and the last time I was here in between, but not in the theater, sitting on a seat. I came here when Phool Aur Kaante released, and the first day I wanted to come and see the reaction. Film started, and quietly we entered and we sat down. How a new boy feels being launched. And I was sitting somewhere in front only, and when on the introduction, people started throwing coins, and one coin hit my head, and I still have that coin. So that's, I think, the biggest nostalgia here, coming here.
इस फिल्म में आप देखेंगे सोनाक्षी सिन्हा का एक आइटम नंबर।
The song actually introduces the film. It's a song in English and Hindi, and it's called Thank God It's Friday. And Sonakshi has done a wonderful job with the song. And it's based in the disco era of the 80s, where I used to go as a 12-year-old child then, So I've stayed very true to my memories of the 80s. It's got breakdancing and Michael Jackson and Madonna and Mithun Da and Rishi Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan from Yarana. It's got all that.
Did you see the trailer? Looking at it, the story looks really interesting.